Hey, everyone! Today, we're cleaning the copper surface of the AP80 Pro Max. If you chose the copper edition, you're probably drawn to its unique charm. Copper naturally oxidizes over time, and this process depends on the environment it's in. Some people love watching the copper change and develop its own patina as it ages. It's a natural transformation that adds character to the device. Whether it darkens or stays lighter, it's a personal touch that makes each unit one of a kind. But if you're not a fan of the oxidation and want to bring it back to its original shine, don't worry, the more you clean it, the brighter and shinier it will become. This cleaning method will help you do just that. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have the right tools: metal cleaner, microfiber cloth, and of course, your AP80 Pro Max with the copper surface. First, we'll apply a small amount of metal cleaner to the microfiber cloth. You don't need too much, just enough to get a good clean. Gently rub the cloth in circular motions on the copper area, focusing on spots where tarnishing has occurred. Once you've cleaned the copper, use a dry part of the microfiber cloth to wipe off any excess cleaner. Now, give it a final once over with a dry microfiber cloth to give the copper a nice shine. And there you go, your AP80 Pro Max should now look cleaner, and the copper will have a more polished appearance.